Do you want to snack smarter and fuel your body with energy-packed, delicious treats? Stick around because today, I'm showing you how to create your own healthy snack bars, customized to your tastes, needs, and lifestyle. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Let's talk about why homemade snack bars are a game changer. Store-bought bars can be loaded with hidden sugars, preservatives, and ingredients you can't even pronounce. Making your own snack bars gives you full control over what goes into them. Plus, you can tweak the recipe to fit your dietary needs, whether you're vegan, gluten-free, or just cutting down on sugar. Comment below, what's your biggest challenge when choosing healthy snacks? I'd love to hear from you. To make the perfect snack bar, you'll need a few basic ingredients. Base, rolled oats or puffed rice. Binding agent, nut butter or honey. Sweetener, maple syrup, dates or stevia. Mix-ins, choose your add-ins, nuts, seeds, dried fruits, or even a sprinkle of dark chocolate chips. Let me know in the comments which ingredients you'd use to make your bars extra special. Here's how to bring it all together. Combine your dry ingredients. 2 cups of rolled oats, a handful of nuts, and a sprinkle of seeds. Heat your binding agent and sweetener. Half a cup of almond butter and 1/3 cup of honey on low heat until smooth. Mix it all together and press it into a lined baking dish. Chill for at least an hour before slicing into bars. Pro tip: want a protein boost? Add a scoop of your favorite protein powder into the mix. Not a fan of oats? Swap them for quinoa flakes or puffed amaranth. Want a chocolatey treat? Add unsweetened cocoa powder. The possibilities are endless. Your homemade snack bars are ready. They're perfect for breakfast, post-workout fuel, or an afternoon pick-me-up. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with someone who loves healthy snacks. Want more recipes like this? Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out.